Welcome to the vlog. Right now, I'm gonna leave and go for a bike ride. I don't know where I'm going yet, but we will see when I get out there. You are currently on my head, and I'm about to leave. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but yeah. The visuals might look better because I found out how to change the settings on this camera. Because when I used to turn it on, it used to beep, and everybody used to like stare at me to find out where the beep came from. So now it doesn't do that, and I figured it was only on 720p, so I made it 1080p. So it might look a little bit better. Anyways, I am gonna start going. I don't know where I'm going, but I will turn my camera on and update you on where I'm going. This is pure ice right now. This is sketchy. Look at that. Because yesterday it was hot and then at night it froze. Okay. Okay, let's go. I can see the city from here. I don't think the camera can though. That's the issue. Since it's fisheye, you can't see very far. More people. I don't usually go this way. Let's try this way today. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off because I don't want it to get full. I'm sorry about the wind noise, I can't get rid of that. And you can probably hear my bell because every time I hit a bump it goes off. But anyways, I'll turn you back on later. The road is so... It's like sand. You go into it and it turns you. This slushy stuff. Okay, I'm gonna get off the road, and then I'm gonna turn you guys off. Okay. See you later when something exciting happens. I'm gonna go down this hill, and then go left at the bottom, and that's like a loop that goes back to my house. My back wheel is completely locked up right now. And I'm just sliding. No! You don't even understand how steep this is on video. Look at my shadow. Whew. We're almost down. My wheel is still not spinning. Okay. I'll let the brakes go. Yeah, I'm just gonna turn left here. And then it's like this path that goes down by the river, and it'll be nice. Hopefully I don't meet any animals, coyotes or cougars, just the person at the beginning. It looks so nice, so much ice. I don't know if I should go this way. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna go a different way. This guy who's walking is gonna think I'm crazy. I'm gonna go across the bridge and then up over there where that smoke is coming out. And that's the pump track. I wanna see what the pump track is like in winter. I'm gonna try to go on it. At lunch, I used to come down here and play by the sewer thing and eat my lunch and stuff. And some stay-at-home mom came and took pictures of me. So now we can't come here anymore at lunch. And we used to go way up there for lunch too. Well, after we got kicked off of here, and we can't go there either. Because someone sent pictures of us. Like, isn't that illegal just to take pictures of kids without them knowing that you're doing it? Oh, so dumb. Anyways, I am gonna keep going. I just decided where I'm gonna go. There's this like rock that people jump off in summer to go cliff jumping, kind of cliff jumping. It's just a rock. But I'm gonna go see what it looks like in winter. It might be frozen over. I thought those were animals, those are just people. There aren't very many people on the path. It is winter, but it's not that cold. So yeah, I will meet you when I get a little bit closer. Oh wait, this part's fun. Feels like you're a car. Run around these bends. The first place I ever tested my Traxxas boat that I got for $6, that's a video I made. I tested it right here in this little thing of water. It didn't work very well. I didn't know how to use it, and seaweed got tangled in it. So, yeah. I'll see you when I get closer. I'm out of breath. I need to ride my bike more. And the air is really thin in winter. But anyways, I said but anyways a lot of times. See you when I get closer. There used to be big hills here. Now it's completely flat. Like big dirt hills that used to have ramps on them that I used to go off on my bike. It's so flat. It's weird. I'm a little bit closer now. So I'll see you maybe when I get there. I don't know. We're almost there. I hope I got that kid staring at me on video. Oh. I hate it. People who walk towards me the whole time, they're walking towards me. All they do is stare at me. So much emptier. Oh, it looks frozen. So much emptier in winter. Well, this is icy. I didn't crash, so that's good. I don't know where I am. And someone's smoking here. It smells so bad. Is it up further? Or is it back further? I feel like I'm supposed to be on the other side. I'm just gonna keep going up this. I see people. I'm gonna go up this because that's where I think it is. So I'll meet you when I get closer. I see where I have to be. It's like right there. But then I have to go back and cross over the bridge. And there is ice there that looks pretty solid. I'm gonna try to find a rock to test it with. Then I might just walk across the ice. If it's good. We will see. I have to get turned around. Okay. Yeah, like I don't know. I don't think this water moves in winter. I'm just gonna go back and find a bridge. Because then it'll be easier. I don't know if the path is clear though. I'll meet you once I get to the other side. Okay, I'm on the other side. I'm on this, I guess you could call it a path. I almost fell, but I'm doing kind of okay. It's very bumpy and slippery, and it's like riding on a board, because if you go off the side, you fall off into powder. and then you tip over. That's where I was over there, the last clip. Oh, now I'm stuck. This is hard. I might end up just walking. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk it. There are other bike tracks though. I'm not the only one crazy or dumb enough to try to do this. I think they had a fat bike though. Their tire prints are a lot bigger. I'll meet you once I get closer. This is so tiring. That's a closer look at the water. It doesn't look very strong. I wouldn't want to walk across it. There are lots of people prints on it though. You always gotta be watching for animals. That is probably a human-owned animal that made that. I'm almost there. I'll show you an up-close look at this glacier thing when we get closer. That looks really cool. There were lots of... I just dropped my bike. There's lots of people prints here. I'm gonna try this. Yeah, there's even bike prints. I'm gonna take my helmet off and go exploring. Oh, okay. Take you guys off. Oh, my helmet. Okay, let's go. There are no people. Crazy if this is water. Oh, I feel so open after having my helmet on for that long. Oh, that was probably, what time is it now? That was like 20 minutes with my helmet on. Yeah, that rock is where you jump off in summertime. That's what I was saying, is it really a cliff jump? But look at this ice waterfall. That is awesome. That looks so nice. That is so nice. Look at that. And you can hear the water dripping. So nice and quiet here. I'm gonna go closer to the rock. Oh, people are falling through here. We can see. You don't want to go where the wetness is, because that's probably where they fell through. And in summertime, there's caves here, but they're covered by the ice right now. It's cool. It's just so cool. Everything in winter. It's so different. Yeah, like these caves. That looks so nice though. It could be a screensaver. What's that? Yeah, this is where you jump off. Over here. And it's really deep. I'd say it's probably 10 feet deep. Like, yeah. How have these trees not fallen over yet? This is probably such a long clip. Me just going around talking. You're probably bored by now. If you're not. If you're just looking at the scenery. Thinking, wow, that looks nice. Thank you for watching my video. Like, look at that. That looks so nice. That could be a screensaver for your phone. I'm gonna try to get a nice picture. Even though I have a fish on, so it's gonna be distorted. I'll be around this. I'm gonna go back to my bike now. And probably go home. So see you when I get there. Well, not when I get home. Why did I even say that? I don't even know. And then I cut the clip. No. I'm gonna go get my bike. And then bike home. And it's weird. It's already... Oh, I fell in a hole. The sun's already setting and it's only 4:06. Crazy. I will see you on my bike ride home. And see, that I didn't want to cross because it's watery. There's snow on it. So, like, no. There's a pretty low chance you're gonna fall through. And there's lots of footsteps on it. And it got a really beautiful video. So I am gonna go get on my bike and ride home. Now cut the clip to me on my bike. I just talked to those people back there. They're nice. They said, how's biking going? I said it's hard. That was very true. And the person said, do you have any special wheels or anything? And I definitely do not. It is very hard. when my camera wasn't on. They were nice people. Most people I pass by stare at me, walk past, or when I ring my bell, they have headphones on so they can't hear me, and they just block the whole path. They were nice. Be nice like them. I don't know if I said anything besides I talked to those people, but I'm back on my bike riding. I had to do that terrible walk again through the snow. That's a biker. Why is that even here? Anyways, I am headed home. My fingers are really cold. And the sun's starting to go down. And yeah. I do not recommend what I just did, going out on ice by yourself. That is dangerous and no one can help you because there's nobody around. So if you ever do that, either make sure there's lots of footprints so that lots of people did it before you, and that it's still below zero so that the ice is still frozen. And if you do go out on ice that is questionable, go with lots of people like I did with school, because then it's a little bit safer. Because then at least you have people to try to save you. So yeah, that's my words of safety to you for this video. I should have took the thumbnail in front of that ice waterfall thing with my bike, because then I could have called it like winter bike ride, and then in brackets I could have put found ice waterfall. See, that's how you have to think about YouTube video ideas. Anyways, I'm gonna have to use Photoshop now on my iPad. Going back is gonna be way harder because the hill I came down, I'm gonna have to go up, which is good because a flood happened a couple of years ago. And it never got my house, but it flooded everywhere down here. But still, it's so hard in winter. I live like over there, more around the corner. You can't see my house behind from like I can't even think. You can't see my house right now. And you can't see it because it doesn't back onto the golf course over there. But the house is in my cul-de-sac, back onto it, onto the golf course. Yeah. It's so nice down here. I wish we could still come here for school. Now we just go to a park and play lava tag. This was so much fun. Like we hiked on the side of the hill. I wish. Hey, there's ducks. I'm sorry if the wind noise is really loud when I'm riding. There's nothing I can do. The mic is in the very front of the camera, so it picks up all the wind. Anyways, I will meet you at the top of this hill. This is going to be a very long, boring walk up the switchbacks. But look, you can see my track where my wheel was fully locked up. I'll show you. Right here, this track. So yeah, that was more fun. That was slippery. My track is so wiggly. And there's no grooves of my tire marks because my tires are locked up. The sun is so much lower now. I will see you at the top, as I already said. I am out of breath, but I made it to the top. I'm gonna keep going this way, up the hill, past my school, down the main road, and to my house. Okay. I have reached the bottom of the second hill, leading to my school. I don't know if I'm going to be able to bike up this whole thing. It's pretty steep. Not yet it isn't, but it gets steeper. And it's slippery. Okay. I'm at the top. In the distance you can see my school. With I don't think I've said yet in this video. Today's the last day of winter break. So tomorrow I have to go back to school, which is bad. It's bad for vlogging, because I'm in school for the whole day. And it's funny, because today I was watching a video, and the person was in jail, and he makes videos about stuff like that happened to him in jail and stories and stuff. And he was looking through pictures of the jail and explaining where it all is, and it sounded and looked exactly like school. There's people. I can't vlog in front of people. I can't do that. It's bad. They plowed it, even though there's no kids. So yeah, I'm gonna be here tomorrow. I might make a vlog tomorrow. I probably will. So yeah. It's funny, when people can't ride a bike with no hands, they're like, it's so dangerous, you're gonna crash. But in winter, when you're on flat ground, it's probably safer, because you can't make sharp turns that are gonna make you slip out and fall. You can only make smooth, wide turns. And it's really easy to ride with no hands once you know how. Everybody should have to get a bike license and should have to ride with no hands. It also helps your back, because your back is more straight. It's like riding a unicycle with two wheels. In summer, I need to make a video with my unicycle. I have one of those. I was in it in like one early video I made, I think. Okay, can I make it around the corner? Oh yes, I can. Okay, I'll see you when I get home. Okay, I have arrived home. Oh, squeaky wet brakes. I've arrived home. Let me take my helmet off, and then I will talk to you. Okay. My hair is probably crazy. I just arrived home. My parents still aren't home. They are at the rental doing renovations, like I was getting in my yesterday video. So, yeah. I'm gonna go inside and warm up. My fingers are really cold. And close the garage door, which I'm surprised my sister didn't already do. There could be anything. The chicken's all by itself. I got home, watched YouTube, ate supper. My family interrupted me. I got this gun for Secret Santa. I'm coming for my sister.
And then the N1 had a spring semester this year, but we don't have spring semester this year. So their practicum will be... Brandon, are you going? You're talking!
I'm gonna finish what I was gonna say before downstairs, which is I got home, watched YouTube, burped because I just ate supper, and now I'm gonna get in the shower. So yeah. I'm gonna go watch a movie with my dad in the basement while my sister and mom watches, I don't know, a random show. So I'm gonna end the vlog there. See you next vlog. Bye.